Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we will cover certain important questions on the topic area and perimeter. These questions will help you in all types of NCERT related books as well as if you are preparing for any types of Olympiads. फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ ज़रूर इसे लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलें। Let us start with the first topic as the formula. Before solving certain questions, we should be aware about what are the formulas. As you can see, there are four figures on the screen. So, if I consider this as my square, right? So, if I consider this as a square where all the four sides are equal, so the formula for the perimeter will be 4 into the side. As you can see, I have added 4 times the side, so I can even say 4 multiplied by the side. If I talk about the area of the square is equal to side square. Now let us move to the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is length into breadth. If I ask you the perimeter will be 2 times length plus the width. Width is also called as breadth. Width is also called as breadth. Now if I move for the right angled triangle, let me also write it as, so that you people please keep making a note. Right angled triangle. Write this formula at certain place so that it will be beneficial for you at the later half. So area is the half into base into height, or you can also calculate the perimeter, which is the 3 into the length of each side. Now why I am making you write all these formulas, because these formulas will help you to do the questions in the next step. So this is a parallelogram. This will help you in your senior classes. So you can just make a note of a parallelogram. So length of parallelogram is the base and height is given to you. So area is base into height. Also, if you have to find the perimeter, or it has 4 sides, so the formula remains the same. Sum of all these sides. When we don't know the formula for certain shapes, we write as the perimeter sum of all these sides. I hope from this picture you can understand the area and perimeter of a square, rectangle, triangle and a parallelogram. Let us start with the questions based on perimeter and area. Now the first question where we have is, find the perimeter of a regular pentagon is given to you. Find the length of each side. The first step is to understand what is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means, so I will break it into two parts. Regular means equal and pentagon means 5 sides. So equal plus 5 sides. Then since, let me see how we can solve this. So here I will be doing the solution. Yes. So as you all know that perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, right? But here we have been given as the regular pentagon. So we can also say 5 into the side. But the value of the perimeter is given to me as 100 centimeters. Now what I will do to calculate the side, since 5 is on the right hand side, to bring it to the left hand side, I will divide by 100. Unit remains the same into side. So now I will cancel 5 ones are 5, 20. So therefore I have got my side equal to 20 centimeters. So the length of regular pentagon, is 20 centimeters. So let me find the correct option. Yes, here is the correct option, 20 centimeters. Alright. Now let us move to the next question, that is find the perimeter of the rectangle whose area is given to you and the breadth is given to you. Now this is something interesting. We need to know the two formulas to calculate. First is perimeter. Now I have initially told you that perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. Yes, and we should know the second formula for area. So this is a merge of two concepts. So length into width. Now, in order to calculate here, let me find out the length of the rectangle. Now, how to find the length? First, I will find using area, length into width. So, length is given to me as 750. Yes, length we don't know, but we know the width, that is 15 centimeters. Yes, so what I will do, 750 divide by 15, centimeter square upon centimeter is equal to length. And once I calculate this, I'm going to cancel from 1 centimeter. And now I will find 750 divided by 15. Yes, 750 divided by 15. What I will get? I will get 50 centimeters. Now the question has told me to find the perimeter. Yes, this has become my ATQ statement. Perimeter, yes, perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. So perimeter is 2, length is 50, width is 15. Yes, the units will be centimeters. So 2, so 50 plus 15 is 65. So 2 multiplied by 65 will give me 130 centimeters is my answer. So let me find out the answer. Yes, I have an option as 130 centimeters. Alright, let us move to the third one. These questions are very useful because they are helping you merge two concepts, area and perimeter both. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates, and please like the video and इस वीडियो को जरूर end तक देखें so that you will be very much clear about the concept of area and perimeter. Now the third question we have is find the width of the cardboard if area is given to you and the length is 13 centimeters, right? Now, how will we do such questions? Fine. Let me again use the two concepts here. Width, you have to find the width. Yes, that means length is given to you. Yes, and area is given to you. But we need to find the breadth, or you can also call it as width. Yes, so how I'm supposed to calculate? Let us see. So first, my first part will be area is equal to length into width. Yes. So the area is given to me as 52 centimeters square. Yes. 52 centimeters square. Length, we know the length is given to me as 13 centimeters. But we do not know the width. Yes. So what I will do, I will take it on the other side. 15. Since it is in multiplication, I will come in division is equal to width. So 1, 2, 13, 4 are. So my width is equal to 4 centimeters. Therefore, the width of the rectangle is 4 centimeters. So let me see, yes, I have the correct option here as 4 centimeters. So I think first you have to understand, write down so that you know what all is given to you and what is not given to you. Alright. उसके बाद आते हैं टू साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, देखते हैं कैसे. Two sides of the triangle are 12 centimeters and 14 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle. So let me write. I've made a triangle. So one side of the triangle is given to me as 12 centimeters. Next is 14 centimeters, and I don't know the third side. Yes, but the perimeter of the triangle is given to me as 36. So how I'm going to do this question? First make a triangle, label all the parts. The perimeter is sum of all sides. Yes, sum of all the sides. That means 12 centimeters plus 14 centimeters. I know that I don't know the third side. So let me just write down third side. But we know the value of the perimeter, that is 36 centimeters. Yes, so 12 plus 14 is 26 centimeters. 36 centimeters plus the third side. Alright. Then I'm going to take it on the other side. 36 minus 26. It is being addition in the right hand side. So taking on the left hand side, the operation will be reversed. Yes, so that is third side. Then so I've got my answer as 10 centimeters is my correct answer. So let me see whether yes, I have the correct option. Option number 4, that is 10 centimeters. आई होप यहाँ तक आपको क्लियर है. ये 4 क्वेश्चन हमें बिल्कुल डिफरेंट करे. किसी में एरिया है, किसी में पेरीमीटर है, किसी में ट्राइंगल है, किसी में रेक्टेंगल है. चलो जी आओ एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं. 5th क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ कल्टिवेटिंग अ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड इज 60 meters and long and 13 meters wide at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter. Now, in order to understand this question, we should see what is the length of the rectangular park given to you, what is the breadth of the rectangular park given to us, right? Now, first, how I will do is, let me write area of rectangular park. Yes, area of rectangular park is length into breadth. Yes, now obviously if you have a rectangular park, cultivation will be done on the area. Yes, cultivation will be done on the area. Now when cultivation will be done on the area, so let me write, length is given to me as 60 meters, breadth is given to me as 45 meters. When I'm going to multiply both of them, I will be getting 2700 meter square. This is the area. Yes, this is the area I have got. Now once I've got the area, so cost of cultivating. Yes, 1 मीटर आपको पता है 1 मीटर स्क्वायर लैंड जो है ₹10 पे होता है. So cost of cultivating 2700 meter square is 2700 into 10. Yes, multiplied by rupees. Then rupees 27,000. So let me see, do I, yes, I have this correct option. Option number again 4, that is rupees 27,000. Friends, आपको मेरी वीडियो आज की अच्छी लगी होगी. Thanks for watching this video, and you can also find us on Facebook as Learn Easy. You can share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates.